This next lecture is about dynamics, and we are looking at, for this one, questions 37 through 40, where it is talking about dynamics. So in our vocabulary and study sheet, we have the dynamics and all the definitions for all of these words and the symbols for them written out. Okay, so dynamics means how loud or soft the notes are or should be produced. We also have this symbol right here. It's a fancy looking P. It stands for an Italian word, piano. And piano means soft. Okay, also here there is the correct pronunciation of it. If you want to Americanize the word, it's piano. But I prefer to use the Italian piano. And it just simply means soft. If you see it in the music, you sing soft or you play soft. Next up we have forte. Now forte is symbolized by that fancy looking lowercase f. And what that means is loud. So you sing or you play loud. And the last word that we're going to learn with the dynamics is crescendo. Now, crescendo means to gradually get louder. When we see it in the music, that's what it means. In Italian, it literally means to swell. So you can imagine how the ocean tide slowly comes up. It doesn't all come up at once, right? It just slowly comes up. Or if you bang your thumb, it slowly begins to expand. It doesn't all go. Let's show you some examples of crescendo, piano, and forte. All right, so I can take a phrase and I can sing it forte, or I can sing it piano, or I can sing it anywhere in between, and we have different words for those, but for now we're just learning piano and forte. So here is the phrase, and I'm going to go ahead and sing it piano. J'aime tes yeux, j'aime ta front, oh marbello ma farouche. And now this time, forte. J'aime tes yeux, j'aime ta front, oh marbello ma farouche. Okay, so the same phrase should have been the same notes. It wasn't quite the same notes. Piano and forte. And I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube description for another version of that song that I was just singing. The best one that I could find of a male singing it. Remember, be better than you were yesterday.